Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
First, prepare your phone in Chromecast for control without the remote. Use the Google Home app on your phone or tablet to control Chromecast. Make sure the phone has a charged battery and Wi-Fi enabled before you begin setup. Ensure your phone and Chromecast are on the same Wi-Fi network before casting. If you cannot join the same Wi-Fi network, enable guest mode in the Google Home app to connect without a password. Keep your phone within 10 to 15 feet. Open the Google Home app and tap Add, then set up device to find your Chromecast. Tap New Device, choose the Home, and wait for the app to detect the Chromecast device. Select your Chromecast and follow on-screen codes to complete the connection and initial setup. Choose your Wi-Fi network and enter the password, then wait for firmware updates to finish. From a casting app, tap the cast icon to send video, or choose cast screen to mirror your phone display to the TV. If phone control fails, use HDMI CEC on the TV to change inputs and power the Chromecast. Some TVs allow repositioning to the Chromecast input using the TV buttons or a universal remote with HDMI CEC enabled. To pair a new device, perform a factory reset by holding the Chromecast device button for at least 25 seconds. Use guest mode in Google Home to let visitors cast using a PIN without joining your Wi-Fi network. Keep your Google Home app updated to ensure smooth casting and recoverability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.